Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to show follow button on your Facebook profile. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel because we make content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to show your follow button on your Facebook profile, it's pretty simple. So let's get on with it. Click on the three line at the top right corner and scroll down until you see setting and privacy. Click on it, then click on setting. Then scroll down until you see privacy setting. Click on privacy setting. And once you're in privacy setting, you can scroll down and then click on who can send you friend request. And over here, if it's in everyone, then click on friends of friends. After setting it on friends of friends, go back and now go to public post, which is on the privacy section. Click on public post. And over here, make everything public. Like everything you see over here, just make it public. And once you make it public, then you should probably have your follow button. Let me show you guys. See your profile, click on the three dot, view as, and then boom, there is a follow button over here. So yeah, that's basically how you show up your follow button on your Facebook profile. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.